click rotate door is going to be door 1, right? You kind of, the one sort of like head screw here is you have to remember what all your variables do, which is why I try to name them something indicative of what I want it to do, and why I was just an anal retentive asshole right now on making sure that it said click rotate door. Because next week when I come back and look at this and I see change color door, right? I'm gonna be like, well, why is it, what's going on, right? So like I'm being really, really sort of a stickler for certain things only because I know that I'm not going to look at it for a week, right? So, you know,
it moves really smooth too already. I love this.
Yeah.
It's just going at 45 at a time as you click, right?
Right. Every time I click, it's going to move 45 degrees. And what's nice about this is we can go back to uScipt and say change this to 120 and, oops, sorry. And say like, oh, 45 doesn't look quite right. Let's try 120, right? Right? And it's moving 120 degrees in 0.25 seconds. So we'll make this 1 second. Right?
So cool.
Okay, and then we'll do this.
That might be the winner. Just maybe a little faster, but like lose.
Right. Well, if we do 0, right, and make it instant, it just, you don't even see it.
Yeah, little animation's always fun.
Yeah.
Can you ramp up speed and mess with that stuff too?
We can, but it won't happen in this way. Like, we won't be able to do it like using the rotate that I just used.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Like, you want acceleration and maybe like a punch move or like accelerate in or accelerate out. We're gonna have to do something else for that, right? But the phase that we're in is let's just get it working. So I used it, but I'm talking through it, right? So like we're in that phase. Let's use the simplest manner first, and we'll come back and polish that piece. Once you get more sort of in tune with all the different pieces that go in, like in this stuff, then you can go directly to those solutions, right? Just don't lose track of the phase you're in.
Right.
Oh, hey, we'll do this just for the sake, just for shits and giggles.
Well, cool, man. We got the door open. Good work.
Sorry, I'll do this. All right. Well, I'm rotating the door now on X, so you can see.
Oh, sweet.
Right.
So it's that easy to manipulate and change the variable there.
Yeah, well, because like that's the whole reason I wanted to set up that variable, right?
Awesome.
But okay. Oh my God, my bathroom door. Okay, anybody on Twitch have any last questions? We'll give this a second.
Oh, I saw Vince was asking about Grey Goo. That was the ad that popped up. That one that's on the screen right now.
Yeah.
It's kind of a strange name, but the game looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I have no idea what that is. Let's see,
yeah, it's a multiplayer, like Borderlands experience. I think.
Yeah.
Destiny.
Same shit. Oh, what's that shit? All right. Well, any other questions from peoples? Yo. Did I lose everybody? Did everybody take off?
They're still on, I think.
Oh, okay. Yes, Vince? It is not. It's actually $99 right now, I think. But it paid for itself probably in several weekends. So I highly recommend picking it up, even if you have to rob somebody, because it will speed up your development time significantly, as opposed to having to learn C# from scratch. So unless you're adept with C#, then you can skip it and go straight there. It is very handy, and it saves me. It's what has enabled me to do things very quickly, right? And then, like I said, later on when we get to like episode 329 or something, I'll probably go back and say, okay, here's what it looks like in C#. But until then, it's much easier to talk about the concepts visually, right? Wouldn't you agree, Brian?
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
It's like because basically we can talk through it step by step, as opposed to like sometimes in text you're jumping around and it doesn't have like a logical visual flow. So it's nice to have this does this. So okay, everybody, thanks for coming along. Last week was 2 hours, but I think I'm gonna stick to 1 hour every Saturday at 10 o'clock from now on, so it doesn't eat into anybody's day too much. But I also think the density of information in 1 hour is pretty. I think it's enough. Don't you think?
I agree.
Yeah. Okay. Brian, do we want to start a blog or something with any like written information out of here? I should probably drop this PowerPoint up at some point.
Yes, I think that would be really helpful to put that one up there, as well as we put up links before. I think we're going to put them on the YouTube channel, and we're going to import this stuff to the YouTube, so there should be links there. But the blog would be good too if you want to just add it to yours.
No, I mean I like. So Coffee with Cross, the Gmail account, should log into Blogger as well. So I'll just start a Blogger blog with Coffee with Cross. How's that sound?
Yeah.
Yeah. But okay, and that's what I'll start. Right. Okay. See everybody at work.
Next week.
Yeah, I'll see you. I'll see you next Saturday, Ryan.
Take it easy.
Hasta luego.